Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's talk about custom feeds. In WordPress, custom feeds are RSS or atom feeds that are customized to display specific content based on criteria such as custom post types, taxonomies, or query parameters, allowing for targeted content syndication beyond the default feed options. For example, this is my first movie, and I want a feed for this single post movie. I will just pass the feed parameter, and it will generate the RSS feed. You can also have different types of feed such as atom feed. Here is the atom feed. Similarly, RSS and RSS2 are also available. Now, how can we add a custom feed? If you want one, like a custom XML feed structure, we can do this using the add feed function. You can add feed, provide the name of the feed, and pass the callback function. Whenever the custom feed is requested, the callback function will be executed. How does it work? When you call the add feed function, it creates a hook called doFeed feed name, where feed name is the custom feed name. It then removes any default action and adds our function as the callback function. Our callback function MLB do custom feed will be executed here. I have added a simple example to show how the callback function is executed. It will render a little bit of XML content. This is how you can add a custom feed. Let me show you how it's added to the rewrite rule. For example, this is the custom feed. When you go here and refresh the page, you can now see the custom feed. If you search for the custom feed, you will find it. This is our feed URL. After that, RDF, RSS, RSS2, Atom, and a custom feed will be listed. Whatever rewrite rules feed support for the custom feed will be shown. Now, based on the current request, for example, if there is a category archive page, you can create a custom feed for the category archive page. Similarly, for tag archive pages, custom post types, and taxonomies, you can create custom feeds. When you add the custom feed at the end of the URL for any single post type, like a single movie post type, page, or any archive page, it will execute the callback function for the custom feed. Now, in the category archive page, I'll just add custom feed, and you will see the custom feed being rendered. It will show the empty custom feed. When you add a custom feed at the end of the URL for any single post type, single movie post type, or archive page, it executes your custom callback function for the custom feed and responds based on the generated feed. If you want to understand this more clearly, search for the doFeed function. This doFeed action is triggered on the doFeed function. It verifies if the query exists, and if it does, it dynamically generates the feed. For example, if I print the WP class object on the parse request action, it should display the expected data. Now, if you refresh, you will notice the category URL matches our custom feed, and the feed query contains the custom feed value. Using this, the getQueryWhere method is applied from the WP query or the WP class. If the feed query exists and is not empty, it dynamically triggers the action doFeed custom feed and passes arguments like comments or feed names to your callback function. Currently, I haven't utilized those arguments, but you can. If you examine the default files such as feed.rdf located inside the WP includes folder, the file renders your custom RDF feed. Similarly, you will find feed.rss, feed.rss2 comments, and feed.rss2 files. This method allows you to add a custom feed when needed. There are several scenarios where custom feeds are useful. I hope this clarifies how to add custom rewrite rules, modify permalink structures, and custom feeds, and understand the use case for rewrite endpoints or tags. Feel free to explore this further. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the rewrite API, and it helps you implement custom functionality. That's all for the rewrite API. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Jai WordPress!